Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Neneng Winara. Saya adalah guru bahasa Inggris di SMP Negeri 2 Tanjung Siang, Kabupaten Subang, Jawa Barat, sekaligus mahasiswa PPG Daljab tahun 2023 di Universitas Negeri Yogyakarta. Pada hari ini, Senin, tanggal 4 Desember 2023, saya akan melaksanakan pembelajaran mata pelajaran bahasa Inggris di kelas 8 dengan topik We Know What to Do, yaitu saran, himbauan, aturan atau kewajiban, serta responnya, rules and obligation, penggunaan must, should, and have to. Saya memilih metode PPP karena metode ini sesuai dengan prinsip pembelajaran bahasa yang efektif, yaitu exposure, meaning, form, and use. Exposure, siswa harus mendapatkan paparan atau eksposisi bahasa yang cukup dan bermakna dari berbagai sumber seperti guru, teman, media, atau lingkungan. Form, siswa harus mengetahui bentuk atau struktur bahasa yang dipelajari, baik secara fonologis, morfologis, sintaksis, maupun semantik. Demikian, wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat menyaksikan. Before we start the lesson, let's have a moment of silence. Maybe Mulan, lead through your friend, please.
Okay, before we start study, let's get pray in our hearts by silence. Pray, begin. Finish.
Thank you, Mulan.
You're welcome.
Okay, and sign. Okay. Who is absent today? Belum lihat ya absentnya sekarang.
Nothing.
Nothing?
Yes.
Okay, but I didn't see Ade. Why you didn't come here yesterday?
I was sick.
Okay, 6, yeah, okay. Getting better now? Yes. Okay. Are you late tonight?
Yes.
Okay. Before to learn, please check your neatness. And remember to be disciplined during the learning. Ya. Oke, jadi kita harus bersikap rapi, kemudian bersikap juga disiplin. Oke. Did you remember what we studied last week?
Greeting card.
Greeting card. Okay. Last week study about the greeting card. Okay. How about the product about the greeting card? Like this.
About the greeting our friends.
Maybe to stand up about your answer, please.
I think I made the greeting card about because my friend it's birthday and I made a greeting card for them.
Okay. Maybe give the example like this to Bulan say about the kind of greeting card Bulan. Apa aja selainnya?
I make greeting cards for Happy Teacher Day.
Okay. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother Day. Happy Mother's Day and others.
Okay. And our set about the
Planet.
about Earth. Okay. The green hose ya seperti itu like this. Okay. I think for example, what asking kind of greeting ada yang berduka cita konsisten, ada yang happiness gitu ya, ada yang turut kita merasa senang ketika teman to great about the storytelling gitu ya, like this kayak seperti itu. Jadi there are also several things that must be considered, such as people type, graphic design, and writing content. Okay. Talking about the motivation, learning English is fun and rewarding. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
I think you can communicate with people from various countries and culture. Okay. You have a great potential to master English. You just need to practice, especially regarding expression, starting the existence like this to we know what to do. We know what to do like this to talk about the rules and obligation. Okay, maybe the other opinion, please.
I think learning English is very important because when we have to act, but when we can speak English, we have to like get our job and we get a communication skill or understanding of other cultures. Learning English is a great way to do it. Also can make traveling easier and give you a competition edge in school or college application.
Okay, I think it's that conclusion that Wulan say that it's easy for to everything what I need, yeah, what we need, yeah, and maybe to like from the student to the others abroad like this, yeah, like this to generation global. Maybe did you remember? Did you remember about generation global?
Yes, in
Okay.
Generation Global we can meet friends from other country like from UK, English, or America, Russian, Australian, and others, and we can discussion about everything like climate change or education.
Okay, how about the bullying like this, yeah? How about the better student, yeah? How about the better person to make and the other world get to the problem like this to yeah, banyak sekali masalah di dunia. Bagaimana potensi kalian untuk berpartisipasi aktif sebagai remaja mengatasi masalah-masalah apalagi di dunia ya, di sekitar kita saja, bagaimana kita potensial in our school. Before we start the lesson, I have about the quizzes. I know about your mastery about to this. Di sini nanti kan kita belajar tentang bagaimana mengatakan we know what to do. Jadi we know what to do itu mengungkapkan kata-kata atau ungkapan rules obligation dengan mengatakan kata should, must, and have to. Gitu. Tujuannya adalah supaya to give suggestion, to set rule and obligation. Nah, lebih jelasnya nanti kita lihat. Sekarang kita warming up dulu, setuju? Oke, siap-siap? Ya, oke, kita mulai ya. 1, 2, 3. Ready, please? barusan kalian sudah belajar warming up dulu ya. Ibu memberikan satu quizzes semuanya ada 30 soal, dan ternyata dari ada satu orang teman sudah mendapatkan nilai yang great ya, sudah benar semua dan semuanya cukup memuaskan. Nanti bagaimana ya di post test nilainya lebih dari 100 ya. Oke, that's funny. Oke, di chapter 3 we know what to do. Nah, kita belajar bahwa kita apa yang harus kita lakukan. Nah, di bagian ini kamu lihat ada beberapa gambar. Okay. The title of this chapter is We lupa ya. We know what to do. Okay, coba. The title is the chapter is
We know what to do.
Okay, and then about the next slide. Okay. Coba dibaca. We will. Apa di situ?
To give suggestions and to set rules and obligations.
Oke. Tetapi itu tujuan yang secara umumnya, tujuan yang spesifiknya kita dalam hal ini belajar tentang about the we know what to do adalah pertama, setelah mengamati gambar melalui tampilan slide. Nah, ini ada PPT, kemudian nanti ada video. What do you think? What do you think Benny and Udin are doing there during the lunch break? What the student looks happy? Yes. Okay. Udin is giving something that he has written. Jadi Udin memberikan sesuatu yang sudah ditulis. What do you think it is? Apa yang kira-kira ditulis sama Udin? It is a suggestion. Coba ulangi. It is a suggestion. Jadi Udin memberikan banyak saran terhadap temannya yaitu Benny, ya, dimana students should do and must do for their own success and for their school. Jadi Udin itu memberikan satu daftaran bagaimana supaya siswa-siswa di sini menjadi sukses untuk diri mereka sendiri, juga untuk lingkungan sekolah kita. Okay. In your opinion, what it is important for us to know what we should do and what we must do for ourselves, for others, for our school, for our environment, please? I repeat my question. In your opinion, why is it important for us to know what we should do and what we must do for ourselves, for others, for our school, for one environment? Menurut pendapatmu, mengapa kita penting untuk mengetahui apa yang seharusnya kita lakukan dan kita tidak lakukan untuk diri kita sendiri, untuk orang lain, untuk sekolah kita, juga untuk lingkungan kita? Raise your hand, please.
It's one, because if we know what we should do or we shouldn't do, we can make the activities and the rules run smoothly. I think just like that.
Okay, applause for Ulan, please. Okay, how about Ulan? Mengapa kita harus belajar tentang menyarankan orang lain harus seperti ini, menyatakan aturan seperti ini? Kenapa? Okay. You are in 8 now. Okay. Why is it important for you to give and take suggestion? Okay. Yes. I think you have to tell others what you think is it good for them. You have to share your ideas and should. Ya, kamu harus merefleksikan kepada orang lain tentang ide-ide dan pikiran kamu. Kemudian, how do you do that? Atau mematuhi aturan, karena kita itu sebagai manusia yang benar-benar baik, gitu ya. Obey, ya. Okay, look everybody. It is written here that we are going to learn di sini. We will learn. Coba dibaca bersama-sama. To give suggestion and to step rules and obligation. Okay, next. bab ini materi pokoknya adalah memuat materi pokok, teks lisan dan tulis untuk memberikan saran dan himbauan. Yang pertama, yang kedua menyatakan aturan dan keharusan serta responnya. Kemampuan ini dapat meningkatkan kecerdasan sosial peserta didik, terutama menunjukkan perhatian bagi kebaikan orang lain dan kemaslahatan bersama. Nah, tadi kenapa kita mesti belajar ya? Topiknya interaksi antara kalian sebagai peserta didik dan ibu sebagai guru di dalam dan di luar kelas yang melibatkan apa tadi? Apa? Keharusan, larangan, himbauan yang dapat menumbuhkan perilaku yang terbuat di dalam kompetensi inti apa? Ya manusia yang atau orang-orang atau siswa yang better tadi, ya. Oke. Coba siapa yang mau membaca apa yang diucapkan oleh Ibu Wati? Ya, Cantik please.
I'm sure you are all ready to use English with me and your friends. You should not be ashamed to use English with me. You should not be ashamed to speak and write to each other in English. You should be sure that you can do it because I will always help you.
Oke, ya tepuk tangan dulu untuk teman-teman kita. Coba nih sebelum Ibu lanjut untuk membahas tentang patternnya, apa perbedaannya di teks ke-1 dan di teks kedua? Adakah perbedaan? Are there about the different about the text 1 and text 2? Ada tidak? Kan? Kalau yang pertama setelah should menggunakan kata kerja. Kalau yang ini menggunakan be adjective atau menggunakan kata sifat. Nah, tadi kalau tidak salah pendengar Ibu bilang ada kata ashamed ya. Ashamed itu apa, Pi? Malu. Kalau itu kata sifat. Beda dengan yang ulang tadi bilang ulang understand. Kalau understand itu menunjukkan kata kerja. Nah, di sini modul suggestion-nya sama should ya. Ada subjek. Subjeknya siapa di situ? You ya. Should not. Kemudian ditambah be, ditambah kata sifat adjective. Itu. Nah, dari sini coba dibaca should. Coba semangat. Should. Nah, jadi should itu digunakan untuk memberikan saran atau suggestion. Yang namanya saran sifatnya tidak wajib ya, berbeda dengan obligation atau keharusan atau kewajiban. Nah, tadi we just learn to give suggestion what we should and should not do. Now we learn to say what we must do and must not do like rules and obligation. Tadi kita belajar tentang saran, nah sekarang kita belajar tentang kewajiban, keharusan. Oke. Here what we'll do. Oke, siapa yang mau baca nih yang diucapkan sama Dayu? Sini. Here what we will do.
Here are what we will do. We will work in it. First, we will read the example carefully.
We will listen.
First, we will listen carefully to our teacher reading the rules and obligations stated by Siti, Edo, Dayu, and Udin. Second, we will repeat the rules and obligations after him or her sentence by sentence. Then, in groups, we will say, not read to each other all the rules and obligations stated by each student like the example on page 42.
Ya,
We must not wear sandals, t-shirts, or a casual wear at any place and at any time during the school hours.
Siti, what can you get about the city statute? Apa yang bisa kamu katakan tentang ini?
Now that from the state, the rules in the school. First, the children must wear a uniform every day. Two, from Monday to Thursday, they must wear the batik shirt. Three, the girls must wear a black skirt.
Amazing, well done Siti. Oke, jadi disitu nanti Siapa yang mau mengatakan apa yang stated by Dayu? Raise your hand. Nah, tadi yang terakhir dia bilang, we can learn if the class is not noisy, my friend, and I know very well that we must not be noisy. We must respect our friend who are working seriously. We must not chat and talk randomly in class. In class, we must keep our voice low. We must not play around. We must work at our desk most of the time. Ini aja ya. Nah, ini. Itu siapa ya? Nah, setelah kita banyak belajar dari teks deskripsi tadi, nah polanya lagi yang ingin diberikan tentang have to. Coba dibaca bersama-sama.
We have to study hard. Mia has to go to the airport. He does not have to apologize. I don't have to tell you everything. Do I have to stay here?
Wow, coba. We have to study hard.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah be with you.
I think the dangerous friend that a few teenagers do.
Oke, mereka tidak berpikir about the risk ya, resikonya itu sangat berbahaya ini di lutut ya. Oke, applause for Mulan. Oke, saya now, oke, supaya tidak jenuh kita ice breaking dulu yuk. Yo, stand up semuanya. Then we sit on the floor with 1, 2, 3. Sini, setelah kita belajar lagi tentang we know what to do in chapter 3 di buku When English Principle. Tapi ada 6 activity ya. Silakan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are stand here today to talk about the teachers give us 11 suggestions to use and learn English. 1. We should treat our teacher and our friends in English.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I'm standing here to give an example of advice to other people. The problem is I sit in the back row. The advice is I cannot. The advice is you should ask for permission to move to the front row or borrow places from your friend. You should not complain or disturb your friends who sit in front of you.
Our place is dirty and messy. You should help clean and tidy up our place. You should not wait for others to do it.
Oh itu yang refleksi tuh nih. Jadi kita barusan belajar apa aja sih? Belajar apa aja? Mengatakan kata suggestion dengan menggunakan kata should. Adakah kata yang lain selain should? Oke. Adakah kata yang lain?
Have to.
Oke.
are at home. The first,
Okay, applause. About the presentation ya, about the banner.
poster, PowerPoint, juga yang lainnya. Kita juga bisa
This is the application. It's application 1 to 3. Okay. How about you dan lain sebagainya. Oke, adakah kegiatan about the activity that you I think is so difficult, ini susah banget, ada nggak ya? Yang mana tuh? Which one? Dari kegiatan kita activity 1, activity 2 sampai activity 6, apa yang membuat kalian merasa sulit? Ayo, Adek, Rizky. Apa ya? Tidak ada? Tidak ada. Semuanya merasa senang. Tapi yang lebih pada dasarnya harus lebih memahami dalam hal kosakata. Okay, it's all about the activity. It's most you like between about the activity. Apa sih yang paling kamu sukai dari sini, dari kegiatan kita learn about the, you know what to do, about much you have to, apa yang paling disukai? Quizzes? Quizzes. How about the Ulang Yasmin perform, about the design, about the poster? I think is you like about your activity?
I like.
Yeah, thank you ya. Of course ya, pastinya ya. Berarti you can get about the creation. How about Siti? Is Ulang perform?
I like it too.
I like this, very good. How about the Simi? Why don't you to perform in your class that show about your creativity Simi secara audio visual? Jadi nanti ada bagaimana mendesain, kemudian bagaimana kalian berbicara gitu ya. About mask and mask notebook expression, di mana aja menggunakan masknya sama mask notebooknya in hospital, di rumah sakit, apa yang kita tidak lakukan dan tidak boleh lakukan, kemudian di supermarket, kemudian di bank and a city park, dan di everyone can see there's a change in me. Alhamdulillah. Don't forget to about your homework, and next we learn about our busy life, yeah, and use both there are preposition, countable, and uncountable. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.